The second change I want to make is to improve how the account name is displayed. For that, I use the CONCAT function. With CONCAT, I can combine multiple values into a single display field. Here, I want to combine the account field with the account name. So first, I take the account code, then I add a space, and after that, I add the account name. In Excel reporting, you can reuse fields that were already defined in your Define Field step and use them again in converted data. That makes it easy to build display fields without repeating the entire logic. So now I use CONCAT to combine account, a space, and the data from the account name field. That already gives me a much clearer result. Let's apply it and see what it looks like. Now we have a company selection that shows company names while still using the correct key value underneath. And in the query result, we now also see the account display with more useful detail. But there's still one small improvement I want to make.